Welcome to Emmanuel Crypto. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a lot of money with new coin listing. I did a particular video sometimes ago on how to make money and how I actually did make money from trading Pi. And this particular video, you don't need to participate in particular airdrop of that particular coin. You just need to know the extent that they will be listed, and that is all you need to know. Let me just show you some certain secrets, and you'll be able to watch the particular video to the end. You'll be able to know the secret and the strategy behind it. And this is what a lot of people have been doing. And I tell you, they have been gatekeeping this thing. But as your friend, I'm here to reveal everything to you and to just show you that a lot of people actually know this particular thing and they have been doing it in secret. But let me show you something. So this is that particular video I created on how to make money from new coin listing, which you can see in this place. I actually did it with Pi, and again I will be showing you something what a lot of people have been doing. So if you have been subscribed, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any other new video. So let's dive into the deal of this particular video. Let me show you something on X first. So let me show you something. This was a listening, and we know Binance is one of the biggest exchange currently. This was a listening of Notcoin at 0.01, and this was the listing of Notcoin as at that time. So I'm telling you that this thing has been happening for ages, but now you know no update. So this is it. Bitget, it was sorry, on Bybit you're trading for 0.07. Can you see the difference? That means people that actually bought from Bybit can actually go and sell on Binance and make crazy amount of money. That is not a loan. That is just one. Let me show you another. So this was what somebody actually tweeted on his X, and I actually bookmarked it. Let me show you. Look at what this person says here. This is the post I'm actually reading. He said this is honest. The best strategy to make money this period. Stop being worried about not receiving an airdrop or getting a peanut allocation. Just open MEXC. See, what the person is actually saying that if you do not know, see, MEXC, anytime there is an airdrop, MEXC listing is always very high. Most especially if that airdrop is not even listed on Binance, you don't need to worry. That particular airdrop, immediately it will get listed on MEXC. Even they not actually say they will get listed on MEXC, but I tell you, MEXC will list it, and they will list it at a very good price. And one of the important thing is that, see, immediately if that particular coin is getting listed on Bitget, I tell you, Bitget will list it very, very low. And that was what I did in that particular video, which I'll be dropping the link in the description of this particular video. You can go and watch it. I make a particular peerism, and this is where this arbitrage always work. Yes, because on Bitget, it will always, the price will always be down. And for most people that are actually that know how to trade future, they know how to do this thing, they know how to short and to long this particular thing. Most especially if the price is down on Bitget and is high on MEXC. I tell you, this is one of the big way which a lot of people have been making some crazy hell of money. Let me quickly show you the two app you need. So these are just the two app you need here. So the first one is to have a Bitget X. I'm not saying Bitget wallet. Have a Bitget exchange. And the second one is to have this one, this MEXC exchange. These are just the two combo you need when it comes to. And see, currently now, Power will be listed. I think they are saying that it will be listed on 31st of December. I tell you, if you're able to follow this strategy, because MEXC will actually list it. Yes, and Bitget is one of the wallets which will be listed on. Mainly just listed on. I tell you, on this particular one, the price will be very low, but just try and go and check it on this particular one. You see that the price is very high. So what you just need to do is to buy on this one. If you do not do that particular drop, just like me, and you just come to this particular one and sell. Yes, that is just how to make some crazy lot of money. Or if you are somebody that do long and short, that you are good in future, yes, you can use this particular exchange to long and to short any particular coin. So these are just what people do to make money off new crypto listings. So I want to see your comment in the comment of this particular video, what you think. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload another video. Thank you. Bye bye.